cities worldwide face a perfect storm of challenges. Rapid population growth, climate change, and technology demands are pushing urban infrastructure to its breaking point. But leaders from Taiwan to Florida have a solution: AI and smart city tech.
Taoyuan's population has grown by 200,000 to 300,000 over the past 10 years, and it is one of the few municipalities where population is still growing. That growth brings more traffic and problems.
Liu Xiaowu leads Taiwan's Smart Community Development Committee in Taoyuan. He is fighting this crisis on the front lines. Tech executive Peter Wu has also spent over a decade building smart city solutions.
ASUS has been devoted in smart city innovations for over 10 years. If we go back to see the past 10 years, right now we are approaching 4.0 smart city. It's generative AI-based innovation. So we are entering into a new era of smart city innovation.
Global experts have identified 4 major challenges that are threatening cities around the world, starting with our failing infrastructure. Traffic systems and emergency services can't handle today's demands. Cities are turning to artificial intelligence for help. Orange County Mayor Jerry Demings shows how AI is changing traffic management.
We are using smart city technologies to integrate the systems so that the systems can talk to one another and take a comprehensive approach and look through data collection with how the traffic signals operate and how they can move to keep traffic moving within our community and real time make adjustments to the signalization if there is a traffic crash.
Taiwan has built what could be the world's largest smart traffic network.
We placed more than 100 AI signals on Taoyuan's most important route, using 2 stages of AI identification. That route is very long, so it may be one of the largest AI-powered traffic signal systems in the world.
But technology alone isn't enough, though. The real breakthrough is getting different systems to work together. In Taoyuan, emergency services connect directly to traffic control. When an ambulance races to a hospital, AI clears its entire path.
After we discovered this issue, we made sure that the fire and transportation department's information systems are connected. With this communication channel in place, the transportation department will know where the ambulance is when it is dispatched. They can also clear roads using AI traffic lights to help the ambulance reach the hospital faster.
Cities are also removing language barriers. AI now translates emergency calls in real time.
We have now integrated artificial intelligence into the system so that, let's say, an individual speaks a language other than English, they have the ability to text or call in using the language that they speak, and it is automatically within seconds translated into text for the call taker on the other end.
While cities are upgrading their infrastructure, they're also battling a second crisis that is even more challenging: explosive growth. Cities add thousands of new residents every week. Traditional planning can't keep up. AI is changing how cities plan. It predicts where growth will happen and what infrastructure they will need.
Artificial intelligence helps us from a planning perspective to plan where we're going to build certain type of diverse housing types and what type of access they need to public transit, to public schools, So it assists us in planning where the schools are going to go.
If each department has their own requirements and standards, then the data collected by the Transportation Department, the Information Technology Department, or even the Health Department cannot come together to form a citywide AI system.
But perhaps the most urgent challenge is one that threatens our planet's very survival, the climate crisis. Cities create 70% of the world's carbon emissions. They must lead the fight to save our planet. Clean energy is expanding fast with creative solutions like floating solar farms.
In our county, we have a floating solar array that is the largest floating solar array within the southeast United States. And so we're looking at alternative energy sources to help us power our system to have the least impact on our power grid. And so smart city technologies will assist us in planning for energy consumption.
Energy challenges look different everywhere. Taiwan still depends heavily on fossil fuels.
In Europe, the usage of wind, hydro, and nuclear power is high, so they don't face as many electricity shortages. However, in Taiwan, we mainly use thermal power generation. We should move toward a more diverse energy selection to reduce our net carbon emissions.
AI can help solve climate problems. It can optimize human activities and make energy use more efficient across entire cities.
AI itself is an alternative to human. So yeah, it's a help to lower the carbon emission. But if you bring AI into other service flows to collect data, to find insight, you can even find more opportunities to lower carbon.
Taiwan uses smart sensors to catch pollution the moment it happens.
We installed network-connected air quality sensors in industrial areas to know the air emission status and quality. So when there is over-emission, we can immediately dispatch inspectors.
But even the smartest technology faces one final obstacle that could determine whether these innovations succeed or fail: public trust. As cities get smarter, people worry about surveillance and how their data gets used. The key is balancing smart monitoring with privacy protection.
I'm very interested in the integration of the technology using smart city and artificial intelligence to be able to do that. So I think that is an area that is very promising for us to be able to monitor the movement of people, but also respect the privacy of the average person at the same time.
The answer is being open and talking with communities. Cities need to address all concerns, whether they are reasonable or not.
It is in all of our best interests to educate the public about the benefits of smart city solutions and to not be threatened by it. If they understand the cost-benefit relationship, if it's going to cost them less money on their utility bill, they pay attention.
Most importantly, technology must work for people, not the other way around.
This is an interesting topic because the way technology is used is not always the most suitable for the public. So the challenge for the government is to find the right balance between what people are used to and what technology says is the best solution.
Success needs big changes in how governments work. The goal is solving real problems, not just using cool tech.
For businesses, especially small and medium-sized businesses, the key is not about what technology they use, but about solving the problems they are facing. Our goal is to help them improve at the lowest possible cost.
Looking forward, smart cities will change how we age and learn. Peter Wood thinks senior care will be the most important use.
I can say that the most important application is senior care, or how we tackle the problem, how to deal with the seniority problem for most of the world. Maybe you heard the term hospital at home. That means extend the service reach to the home itself. Service robot will play a very important role in the future to provide more educational purpose right now. And another kind of scenario is for security in a city.
Smart city technology is about convincing and then implementing, executing the plan to take care of the God's green earth that we are all living on, to preserve the longevity of the human existence. So if we don't do this, we could potentially damage the environment and shorten the human experience.
We must put the needs of people first when it comes to smart city solution procurement. There's no point if the solution doesn't make people's lives easier or more convenient.
So what does all of this mean for the millions of people living in cities today? The answer is both urgent and hopeful. From Taoyuan to Orlando, leaders are proving smart technology can solve some of our biggest urban problems. So the question isn't whether we can build smarter cities, it's whether we will build them fast enough.